MI-7914 dual monitor desk converter installation. To start, we recommend removing the converter from the box with 2 people. Turn the desk converter upside down and place the non-slip pads on each corner of the base. Place right side up and raise the desk converter to its highest position by pulling the lever upwards. First, attach the keyboard bracket. Then attach the keyboard tray. On the underside of the keyboard tray, attach the adhesive rubber pads on each end as shown. Use the provided adhesive pads on each end of the wrist rest to affix it to the top of the keyboard tray. For the grommet installation, screw in the 2 large end bolts into the pole mount on one side and slide the grommet plate as shown here so that its hole is aligned with the one on the pole. Screw in the O bolt until secure. Place the assembly onto the hole of the top tier. From below, place the second grommet plate on the screws and tighten all 3 bolts until secure. Slide the plastic cover on so that it rests at the base of the pole. Slide the monitor arm assembly onto the pole so that the adjustment bolts on the arm joints are facing upward. Hold the arm assembly at the desired height and tighten the bolt on the back center using the provided hex wrench until secure to hold the monitor arms in place. Select the appropriate size mounting bolt, ensuring that the length of the VESA bolt isn't too long. Install the top 2 bolts onto the back of the monitor without fully tightening. Hang the monitor onto the top 2 slots of the VESA plate. Install the lower 2 bolts and tighten all 4 bolts until secure. If the monitor mount is not flush, you could use the provided spacers. Attach the provided cable management clips to the pole as needed.